Do you want to open it, Scarlett? You're not so excited.
Get lost of here! Whoa, it's starting. I don't want to eat this. I gotta spit it out. Hi, little wonders. Today we've got the Shopkins ice cream set with 4 ice creams.
Okay, so we have 4 teeny tiny Shopkins here. We have the motorbike, which is actually the ice cream truck. We have Peppaminnt, this little girl here.
And we have a brush with
a brush. Here we have a postcard for Shopkins Fun.
Yeah.
And it says, Buongiorno Shopkins Fun. Come share some fun under the Italian sun with my gelati scooter. She's from Italy. That's the 2 exclusive ones. We have Minty Swirl and
I knew that.
Barbie Gelati. Is that her name? Barbie Gelati. Do you want to open it, Scarlett? You're not so excited.
Mommy, we're done it. We have 2 wheels and we have an umbrella which is going to come now.
Ooh, the umbrella looks like ice cream with some swirl strawberry above.
Okay, now let's get the ice creams, the baby ones. I can find these ones so hard. I find these ones hard.
I know.
Look,
we have 3 bases here.
3 bases.
Bases, look at that.
There's our stand.
Perfect.
Oh, here's our stand. This is cool. We have
An ice cream truck.
yes, and we have the seat, but it's hard to put her in the seat because what? It's hard to keep her inside the lime parts. We have at the side like a cone and the ice creams.
We have 14.
Look at these cute faces.
Ah, they're so cute.
And we have an umbrella when it's raining or for shade so they kind of
Where's the 1 ice cream? There's only 3 there.
found it.
Ah.
And we have,
Peppaminnt.
and look at all that blue that makes the peppermint. And a cupcake on our hairband. There's some concrete on the road, so don't drive very much.
Oh, really?
And then pretend she wasn't looking where she was going, and then she's strapped into the
Poor
slide.
Peppaminnt. Wow. This way.
And then turn her head, and she was looking.
She wasn't looking, she was looking somewhere else.
We're stuck.
Oh, moo!
I'm stuck.
No, hey, what happened there? I'm gonna melt.
I'm gonna get shelter. Our car is stuck.
Oh, no! We need to sell these ice creams as soon as possible. They're melting already.
Yes, they're melting. Where's people? People, come on! No. I'm stuck in now.
Peppaminnt, no!
I'm stuck.
No, Peppaminnt. Ow. I'm coming to get you. I'm coming, okay?
But then the Shopkins got stuck in as well into the slime.
And who's gonna save them? Okay.
Peppermint tried to come out and then she could. But she did cover them up. Ah, my Shopkins are stuck. I'm going to save you. Got you, Peppy.
Yay! So we have a Barbie as well here with us. She's going to be a customer to buy some ice cream. But the ice cream is magical. Once you taste this beautiful ice cream, you fly into the sky.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
Woo!
Wait, let go.
That is so cool.
Wait, let's try with Barbie standing here. Cat, I want some ice cream. This ice cream.
Okay.
I think I can fly. I think so.
Now she can fly. Oh, wow.
What?
Just look at that.
Get lost of here!
Wow.
Whoa, it's starting. Let's see it make fly. Oh, fluffy. There's just enough. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 people. Oh my gosh. Okay, people, don't push. Everyone is going to take ice cream.
Can I have the cookie ice cream that's orange, please?
Here.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
I can fly! I can fly!
The magic ice cream.
I can fly! Wow! And now I got flied into the slime. I can't control myself. Can I have the plain one that's pink, please?
Strawberry ice cream?
Yes.
Oh, of course.
And you know I'm a peacock.
Oh, I know. I can see. Here's your strawberry ice cream. Enjoy and thank you.
Flying!
She can fly too.
Ah! I can't help.
In the slime as well.
I'm stuck. This is ridiculous. I don't want to eat this. I gotta spit it out. Whoa, I kind of like being in the slime, but not that much. Oh. Now I'm really stuck.
Next customer.
Can I have the cookie one that's purple?
Oh, hi Barbie. Can I have an autograph?
Okay.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! I made Barbie. Sorry. Did you say the purple one?
Yeah,
Okay.
with the cookie.
Here. Enjoy Barbie. Oh my gosh! Barbie.
Ah! You're the best fun ever because I love flying in slime.
Oh my gosh! Barbie's inside the slime too. Look at them all together.
Can I have that one?
Yeah, sure. Here's a mint ice cream.
Wee slime.
Started the slime too, guys. It's time for me to
Pretend she was a baddie and then she got them in the slime and it'll make them die then. Wait, you forgotten me! Now wait for me, Ga! Can you help me? Because my pet might like you. What? Can I have one because my pet might like you? Come on, do you want to see her fly? Pretend she flies.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool. I'm gonna give you an ice cream for free.
Now can I have this ice cream peppermint?
Oh, the big one, yes, of course you can.
1, 2, 3, fly! Bye, bye, bye! What? There you go, the
Bye, little wonders. Thank
Bye! This video!